What is up, guys? And I am back with another video, and by the title you can already see what we're doing today. So just stay tuned and watch. I don't want to talk as much. And happy Vlogmas day 2. And as you can see right here, I'm just putting some instant control, edge control. To me personally, it's the best grip, and you don't have to wait for it to dry. And then I'm just brushing every single piece of hair back. And for this video, I did end up using the stocking cap. And what I realized is doing it, putting my hair back without gel and not spraying got2b is the best for when using a stocking cap, because for some odd reason, when you spray the stocking cap, it does some weird stuff. Maybe because it's super thin. And then here, you just see me outlining, outlining around my hairline, and then I'm gonna blow dry it so that I can go in and cut it. And you want to make sure you cut as close to where you put the glue as possible so that it can have the baldest effect. Then you'll see me go in with my Ruby Kisses makeup in the shade 15. And I just wanted to get it around, it's definitely giving bald. And I am using Ghost Bond for this, and I did do 3 layers. And you want to make sure your layers is as thin as possible, because if not, it leaves a clumpy effect. And also make sure you get all hairs before putting the glue down. I had a lot of trouble grabbing that piece of hair. Okay, so in here you'll see me putting my wig on, and yes, I do cut my lace before installing, because for me it's better and you get a better placement. And I think in here you guys are gonna see me kind of struggle a little bit. The problem was I was trying to do my hair and look through the camera record, and clearly that's not the way to do it. So next time we will not be doing that. But just pay attention to me struggle here. And also, you always want to make sure you pull your lace as much as possible so that it does not ruffle. And that's what you see me doing. I'm pulling as much as possible. And after I cut the excess lace off, you'll see me now just taking a small makeup brush and going back in with that Ruby Kisses and just getting it all over my lace, so it matches better. It gives a better melt as well when it's time to melt. And here I'm just combing that glue in. Now this specifically here is a game changer for me. I love this spritz, and the best way to melt your lace with this is literally spray it on your finger and put it on there, where spraying the spray everywhere does get messy. After you put your elastic band on and brush your hair out, it is time to part. And clearly, I cannot part. That part was not in the middle at first. So, see me struggle with that too. But I did go back in after I finished the video, once I realized, and I did put the part in the middle. And when it comes to a frontal, your hot comb is your best friend, so don't be scared to use it. Use it as much as possible, use it as long as possible. So I did want like bed hair, loose curl type thing. So when you see me do these layers, I didn't even use the right scissors or anything, but this is a hairstylist doing a hairstylist hair. So just keep that in mind. And if you can do this better, just do it better. Baby, the relief when you take that elastic band off. Now for the baby hairs, you do want to pull out the baby hairs that you want and make sure you hot comb them all completely down. And then after that, you'll pluck your baby hairs to your desired thickness and texture. And then, cut those baby hairs to size and slay them as I'm about to do. For my baby hairs, I did use olive oil grip gel and cream of nature mousse. And the olive oil grip gel, I must say, it is a little too harsh when it comes to it, so it makes the baby hairs hard. So I would definitely say use the Got To Be gel, the black one, over the grip gel. And again, just how I told you guys, I wanted this to be like bed hair curl. So I did show you the hair and it's like just natural. And then when I slightly curl the other side, the curls are pretty big. And I'm using my T3 and I think like the 2-inch barrel. And it really works. This wig was honestly everything, and it definitely will be available come 2023 or the third week of December. I'm not sure yet, but stay tuned for the finished look, and I hope you guys loved it, and I hope this video helped you. And if you've watched this far, I just want to thank you so much. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that bell on to know when I post videos.